Hello, on this Sunday School I'm going to be showing you how to work foundation crochet stitches. What that means is instead of crocheting a chain and then working the first row into the chain, you can work the first row and the base chain at the same time. And that's what's been done here, and you can see, because it's colour changing yarn, how the working of the first row and the chain is blended in nicely together. These are just UK double crochet stitches here. So that's a US single crochet, and I'm going to show you how to work that now. The advantage of using foundation crochet stitches is that you don't have to do a huge long length of chain and then work into it and then find out you haven't got enough or you've got too many. You can just work the first row with its chain at the same time and then stop when you've got enough stitches. So here I've just got a slip knot on my hook, and I'm going to first of all show you how to do a foundation double crochet. So to start off at the beginning, you work 3 chains. Okay, now we're going to be working into that first chain there. So I'm a UK person, so I'm going to call it a double crochet. So if you're US, it is a single crochet. But first of all, we have to make the chain to be the base of that row. So just go into the chain and pull a yarn through, then yarn over and pull through 1 stitch first, and that creates your base chain, and then yarn over, pull through 2 stitches, creates your double crochet. Now I'm going to go into that chain now to create the next chain, and I always go under both loops because otherwise you can get a bit of a hole developing. So into the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 to create the chain, yarn over, pull through 2 to create the double crochet that sits on that chain. Okay, let's do that one more time. Into that chain at the base, under both parts of the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, creates a chain, yarn over, pull through 2, creates a double crochet. Let's do it a few more times. Into that chain, under both loops, yarn over, pull through, whoops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, creates the chain, yarn over, pull through 2, creates a double crochet. And if you forget where the chain is, I tend to just keep my thumb on it so I know that that was the actual chain that we've got to work into to create the next chain. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. There's the chain, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. This creates a really neat edge, as you can see. That's quite nice, and you don't have to have a huge length of chain to start with. You can work other stitches into foundation chains. So I'm just going to do a couple of chains to make this stitch taller, and then I'm going to work a UK treble, which is a US double. So back, all the way back into that chain that I made, which is back there. I've done a yarn over, sorry, let's show you that again. I've done a yarn over into that chain, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, creates the chain, and then you do your normal treble or US double, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's try that once more. Yarn over into the chain, which is all the way back here, under both loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 to create the chain, and then the normal treble. Do that one more time, into the chain, there it is. Sometimes it can be a bit hard to find the chain, so it's worth you making sure you know where that is. Yarn over, pull through 1. As I say, I do that by pull through 1. I do that by leaving my thumb on it sometimes. Couple more, into the chain, pull through 1 to create another chain, there it is. Oops, try that again. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over into the chain, pull through 1 to create a chain, through 2 twice to create the treble. So there we have there's the treble part of it. If you wanted to do foundation trebles, that's what they look like. If you want to use foundation doubles or US singles, that's what they look like using this method. And the only reason I've got that little lump there is because I was switching from one to the other. And I think that's a really neat way of doing your cast on. You're starting off chain. Instead of working it in one go, you work it with your first row. Hope that helps.